How to manage your notifications on TikTok. We're going to go over how you can manage both the in-app notifications, which you can see I have 39 in my inbox here, as well as the push notifications that get sent to your phone or tablet or whatever you're using, even when you're not using the TikTok app. So start out on your profile. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Under the Content and Display section, tap on Notifications, which has the bell icon next to it. So once you're on this page, you'll see these different things here. These are the notifications that get sent to your phone when you're not using the app. So you can directly choose which sort of things you want to be notified for. If you want to get notifications when you get a new like, you can toggle likes on, comments, and so on. Again, these are the push notifications here on this page. You can see there's a lot of different options. Now, if you want to manage your in-app notifications, which are the ones that get sent to your TikTok inbox when you have the app open, tap on in-app notifications. And you can see you can set these independently, meaning you can have some sent as push notifications, but not sent as in-app notifications, and vice versa. Personally, I like to have everything on for my in-app notifications, so I can really see everything that's going on with my account. Anyway, once you've made your choices, you can go ahead and back out of this, and you're done. Before you go, check this out.